Hi guys, so I thought I'd vlog a bit today. I'm starting it pretty late. It's almost 5 p.m. But I'm just now getting ready to head out and meet my sister for coffee. And yeah, we're going to Jack's Place here in town. It's our favorite like little sort of cafe that's not a chain or anything. And we're gonna get some coffee. Ooh, or maybe some matcha. So it is the next morning and it is another rainy day, but everything's looking nice and green, so that's nice. So I'm headed now to pick up my mom so she can come into the town with me. And we're stuck behind a train for the time being. These sometimes last a long time, but oh, I think I see the end. Yay! And there's the end. And we're headed now for some lunch. Hey guys, I'm back home now from the city. Didn't do a whole lot of talking in the vlog today, but I'll do some later tonight. Catch you up on everything that's going on. For now, I just thought I'd show you what I picked up. First things, I got a new shower curtain. Looks like that. Look how pretty. Can't wait to try that. And then I grabbed a oil diffuser, and this one changes colors. Really pretty. So then of course I grabbed some oils. So this one comes with lemon, peppermint, orange, and eucalyptus. So you put them in the diffuser, and then it diffuses them obviously and changes color, and there's a nice mist with it. And then finally, Starbucks. That's pretty exciting because we don't have Starbucks here in the small town I live in, so whenever I go to the city I always grab one. And this is just a cold brew with some cream. I like, when I go for coffee, I like just straight up coffee. Well guys, it's currently around 10:30 p.m. and we're still doing pretty good on the daylight currently. Crazy. Alright, so I'm finally settled in for the night. Gonna do my nails. I'm gonna use this Kathleen Lights Das Suspensive on my accent nails. And then this OPI Tickle My Francie on all the others. I'll show you when I'm done. And here's how the nails look. I love the pink of Tickle My Francie. It's just really nice and subtle. And then this glitter is so pretty. It's almost midnight now and those last strains of daylight are still trying to come through. Guys, I'm just settling in now to watch a few YouTube videos, maybe watch some Overlander, and then I'll probably call it a night. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you liked coming along and seeing some of the sights of the prairies out here. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. There's not a whole lot to talk about. It's been a nice, peaceful few days, and those are always good. So I hope the same has been happening for you in your life, and that everything's good, that everything's all right. So I hope you have a great weekend, you guys, and I will see you on Monday with, I think, an empties video. Have a good weekend, guys.